John Nixon Limited started in 1967, one depot in the centre of Newcastle. We now have 13 depots, currently about 260 employees. We predominantly deal with non-operated plant and accommodation hire, and we deal with all types of construction companies.
I look after the processes and work closely with David Barmer on the system and hire and workshop, and that the system obviously meets the demands of the business.
MCS-rm software is a total hire management system and financial package. It allows us to totally manage every area of our business, whether that be contract control, stock control, workshop, transport. Because all the information is in one place, it makes it a lot easier for us to make informed decisions. Before we started with MCS, one of the big problems we had was getting information out of the system that we currently had. The MCS-rm software allows us to see whatever contracts we've got on hire. It allows us to see what equipment we've still got in the depots. It allows us to look at our stock levels. It provides us the ability financially to see how the company is doing at any point of time. We can tell exactly how much revenue we're going to generate at the end of the month within quite a narrow margin. We can tell what products are performing, what products aren't performing, what makes and models are costing us more to run. MCS-rm gives us the confidence when we are purchasing equipment to know that we are buying the right equipment. There are various parts to that software that we use. Transport Manager and Transport Mobile has allowed the company to streamline the way our drivers deliver plant and equipment to sites. Everything is now done via PDAs. The driver then can easily get signatures from the customer, which is transmitted back to MCS-rm, which allows our transport controllers to have full visibility of where the driver is, what he's doing, where he's going next.
The mobile devices will revolutionise a driver's life. He no longer has to carry paper. Quantities can be acknowledged on a digital device and it's instant, rather than having the ambiguity of whether you've said you've delivered 3 when you've actually delivered 2. Transport Manager brings a great amount of efficiency to the hire environment. When a customer queries an invoice, whether they want a proof of delivery or proof of collection, it saves the time of that having to be found, located, then emailed.
We are producing around about 13,000 invoices per month, all getting sent via Royal Mail. We needed a quicker way of getting the invoices to the customer. We now send some of our invoices via EDI, which is sending them directly to our customers electronically, and we also send some of our invoices by PDF via email. This allows the customer to receive the invoice the same day. The two big benefits we found with electronic invoicing are savings in admin costs and also savings in postage. It's 13,000 invoices at the current cost of a postage stamp. You can see how much money we are saving.
We identified a need within our business to control all of our field service engineers centrally. We need the field service engineers to have PDAs or mobile devices, so we want the information to filter back into MCS automatically, eradicating the need for manual input.
So instead of the mobile fitters working for a depot, they now work centrally, so a mobile fitter can go to any job to fix anything. We get all the information back electronically. We can monitor where they are. We can look at what stock levels are in their vans. It just allows us to work a lot more efficiently. We started dealing with MCS in 2005, so we've been going now 10 years. I think it speaks for itself that we wouldn't have lasted that long if we didn't have a good working relationship with them. Nothing's ever too much of a bother for them. We've come with specific needs for the company. They have always seen whether they can provide them in the software.
MCS are a good, flexible, friendly company to deal with. They always will endeavour to get things done as quick as they possibly can. I would recommend MCS to another company very highly.